Explore the detailed functionalities of Zerynth's production insights for advanced production and operations analysis. Navigate to the Productivity under Production Insights section. Hide the sidebar by toggling it. Here you will be greeted with Productivity Overview screen. Access the Machines section. Select specific machine throw detailed information. In the top right part of the screen you can set time range for data to be shown. Clicking on the All Shifts you can filter data based on the shifts created. More information about shifts, on how to create them and manage, you can find in the Getting Started with the Zerynth platform, Basic Settings Guide video. Clicking on the All Operations you can filter data based on the specific operation. The first KPI visible is the OEE for availability, performance and quality of the selected machine. Next to it is shown the production time, with the average cycle time and all time presented, and below is shown planned production time, runtime, net runtime and fully productive time. Next section is consumption and cost, where you can see total consumption in kilowatt, total cost in set currency, carbon footprint being made and cost per cycle. Machine status is next section below, with timeline for the set time period of utilization of this machine, and under are shown EAXCT times for the machine states, working, idling, offline and alarm. Now we come to the list of all operations where this machine is being used. Where you can search specific operation or export data for operations. Below is graphic presentation of how much time and on which day each operation been using the machine. Performance chart shows the performance of the machine for set period of time. Cycle chart shows the number of cycles, good and bad, for set period of time. And at the bottom is consumption chart showing energy consumption in kilowatt per hour for set period of time. Now we go back to Productivity section. And go to Operations section. Here you can select specific operation for more detailed information. Same as in Machine section, here also you can set time range for data to be shown. You can also filter by the shifts created. And also you can filter by the specific machine used in this operation. First info visible is efficiency displayed as performance quality. Next is data shown for consumption in kilowatt per hour, total runtime, cost in set currency, carbon footprint, and energy cost per cycle. Cycle distribution is chart next visible and shows for each machine used in this operation how much cycles are done for each machine. Below you can say the list of all machines used in this operation with all the data. Next is graphic presentation of how much time and on which day each machine is being used in this operation. Efficiency chart shows how efficient the operation was in each moment for set period of time. Cycle chart shows the number of cycles, good and bad, for set period of time. Average cycle time chart shows average time of the cycle for set period of time. Average cycle energy cost shows the energy cost of the cycles for set period of time. This guide covered accessing different sections, selecting specific data ranges, and analyzing key metrics in Zerynth's production insights for advanced production and operations analysis.